In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most mighty. I welcome all of you. And how are you? Today we will continue chapter 5, Plants and Photosynthesis. Our today's topics are: what happens to the glucose? Plants need water. How plants take in water. After this lesson, students should be able to describe what is glucose, how the glucose is used by the plants, what is cellulose, how it helps the plants, identify the role of roots in plants, know why root hair cells have thin membrane. Glucose is a type of sugar. It is the food made by plants during photosynthesis. A plant can use the glucose it makes in many ways. Some of it is used to give energy to the plants for their growth. Some of it is used in respiration to produce energy. Respiration takes place inside every plant cell all the time, even at night. Some of the glucose is changed into cellulose to make new cell walls. Cellulose gives a strong outer coat to plant cells. It helps the plant support itself. Some glucose will be changed into starch or oil and stored in root stems, seeds and fruits. Starch is changed back into sugar when it is needed by plant. Some is joined up with minerals, like nitrogen from the soil, and make protein. Plants need protein for growth. Magnesium combines with glucose to make chlorophyll. Magnesium comes from the soil and is taken up with water by the roots. Water enters a plant through its roots. Roots are the underground part of plant. They are spreading out like branches over a big area as shown. It holds the plant in the ground. They take in water and minerals from the soil. Root hairs give a big surface area to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Root hairs are tiny hair-like structures that grow on the surface of the plant roots. Their main function is to increase the area available for water absorption and that of minerals and other nutrients. They do not have the ability to turn into roots. Roots hairs cells take in water by a diffusion process called osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of solvent particles across a semipermeable membrane from a dilute solution into a concentrated solution. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. With water continuously entering the roots through root hairs, it then reaches to all other parts of the plant in miniature tubes called xylem. The root hair has a thin membrane that allows the penetration of the water and the salts through it. Their number is very large to increase the surface area for more absorption of water and salts from the soil. The root hairs are in contact with the air in the spaces between the soil particles. Oxygen from this air diffuse into root hair and reach all the cells of the root. Roots hair cells only work for a few weeks, after that they die. New root hair cells take their job. Root hairs usually arises from the external lateral walls of the epidermal cell. They are long and thin. Review the text of the video carefully and thoroughly. Complete the given worksheet. Practice the following general assessment questions.